Well, hello everyone. We are at that time of the year where people start saying happy holidays, and I can't believe we're almost at December. It is the time of the year for the last 3 years that I have been pulling together something called Event Strategies in a Box. And this year I'm calling it Coaching and Candy, keeping it super simple. But what I love about this time of year is that we're looking back at what happened in 2023, but we're also planning and looking forward to 2024. And this time of year is when we're starting to look at how are we planning our events? Why are we planning our events? How did they go last year? And what are we anticipating and really hoping for in the year to come? It's so important that we move beyond just hope and that we start to get some support around those events that we're planning. And it has been my joy and my job, I say, for the last 15 years, just over 15 years, to be serving and supporting anyone planning or promoting their own events. So I'm not going to come in on these 4 hours and plan your event and be on site, but I can certainly walk alongside you as you're planning. And the goal of these 4 coaching sessions, as you can see here, is that I want you to leave these sessions feeling clear, feeling like you have a clarity about those events you're planning, why you're planning them, what's the purpose, and when you're looking at the event, that it feels like it's a great goal to reach. The second part, the second thing we do here at Candy is create connections. So, what are those connections happening? Not just internally with your team, but with your vendors, with those around you that care about the work you do. Maybe you're a business, maybe you're a nonprofit, maybe you're a community organization. We need you in the world. We need you doing the work that you love to do. But connections matter so importantly when we're planning the events right at the planning stage. And the last part of this is, you can't quite see it, but the confidence. How are you going to gain some confidence in your planning? That has been so fun for me. Probably one of the best things about being a connection strategy coach is I start to see how these planners that are passionate and dynamic and they are true connectors, how they start to gain the confidence in their planning moving forward. Because it doesn't have to be a big event for you to feel like, oh, I'm not quite sure if I've got this right. I've been planning events all my life. It has been so important to me in this work that I share with you that it is possible, that you can have the confidence in planning whatever meeting, whatever conference, whatever, if it's a product launch or whatever you're trying to bring people together, whatever event will do that for you. I'm here to support you in that journey. So feel free to reach out. There are 7 in total of this special Candy and Coaching package. You'll get 4 sessions. You can book them anytime between January and May of next year, 2024. You'll get your 4 kebabs, these candy kebabs made by the beautiful Becca at Dot Darling here in Calgary. And you'll also get a notebook, a candy notebook that you'll be able to fill in all of those ahas, maybe those things that you feel like, oh, now it feels really clear. Get those things down on paper because it does matter when we go back to our teams and we share that we have that confidence moving forward. You can email me if you're interested. We have 7 in total. I think I have 3 left. And you can email me at lisa@candyconsulting.ca. Or if you're watching this on any of our social channels, you can just DM me. Just send me a note and say, I want to reserve one of those last 3. I'll send you the link. There is a form to fill out so I can understand a bit better about your planning. Who are you? What's important to you? And then we can get connected and get you set up for your 4 coaching sessions for next year. Can't wait to be with all 7 of you that are choosing this special package. It is always my joy to see that light bulb go on, to see the connections being made, and that confidence moving into the next stage of your planning.